Hey, this is Jenny Jones. How did I go from WordPress hell to this, right? To this in one day? I'm going to show you as we take a look at the next best thing to WordPress. Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, I got this tool here. It's going to replace all your headaches with WordPress. It's going to make everything easy. It's going to make everything solid. You can add everything in literally minutes and seconds. If this is your first time to this channel, please go and like and subscribe. I'm always doing these different hacks, showing you different tools to try to make your bottom line better, try to show you different tools to try to help you out. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look under the hood of this tool called Storipress. This is a sneaky good tool. I don't know why a lot of people are not on it, but you know, as with any other new tool, people take a while to come around, but once they see how easy this is to use and see how powerful it is, they are going to like it. All right, let's go ahead and go over to my desktop. Let's go behind the scenes and go back and let's see how we put this actual WordPress site. It's not a WordPress site, it's called Storipress, but it's WordPress like, but it's 10 times as easy and probably 20 times as faster. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, as you can see here, this is the back end of the actual setup here. I'm gonna walk you. It's really easy to use. There's some areas I'm gonna have to blur out because I have some personal stuff in here. But let's start from the top. This is managed. This is where you can manage all of your articles, right? These are all of your different articles. You can take them from drafts to review to reviewed again and then published, right? So if you're working with a team, this would be easier to just take them along, or you could, take the articles and you can move them backwards, or you can move them across the Kanban, right? So I can take this article and then move it over to reviewed. Let me do that here. I think I already have it locked in. Yeah, there you go. So you can do that. I want to put this back because I want to say that for review. I'm looking at something. So that's one of the things you can do. But let's see how easy it is to create an actual article. Let's do that. So you can click right here and then you can put in your headline and say, hey, my new article, right? Trying to type and move things around, and you have these different desks, or what I would call them chapters, or if table of contents for your site. So you just create a new one. You can put it right there. You just go click and you create a new one, or you can manage the ones that you have here. So let's go with our new story. Oh, we have to select the desk. So let's just click this, make this home desk, and we'll go here. So that's the new story. And then that's it. And then so from right here, you can go, hey, we're making this a new article. So let's select, let's make an article on, I don't know, MailChimp, since it's here, right? That's you can use from the Unsplash. You can put a new article there. So my new article, you can have the sub desk there. So what you can do is you can have your, you can put your slugs in here, right? You can put your title, your search title here, search title, let's call it MailChimp for Dummies. Oops, call it MailChimp for Dummies. Can't believe I messed that up. So we'll call it MailChimp for Dummies. And it's showing here, what your meta is going to look like. This is an article. Can't type. About MailChimp. Okay. All right, this is an article about MailChimp, so on and so forth. So you put that there. So then what you do, right? So you got that. So then what you do is you click plus here, And then these are your blocks. You can go to H1, H2, number, bullet, photo, gallery, bookmark, HTML, or embed, right? So you can embed videos, podcasts, all those types of things. So we'll just go H1. Let's do an H1 tag here. So we'll go I don't know what is going on. How to get started, right? And so what we'll do is here, the way you get started is like this, right? All right, so what I wanted to do here is let's go ahead and add in a link from YouTube, right? This is the powerness tool. All right, so add in a link from YouTube. You can just paste it in and put it there. All right, so that's all you have to do for your articles, right? And I kind of want to keep this video short because I want to teach you some other things that you can do with this video. So that's one of the things. So there you have it. And then you can take a preview and then you can publish it. Here's the power in this. You can make this free access. You can make this members only, or you can make this paid members. So I'm going to show you what a completed site looks like, but this is just kind of some of the things that I did already. So you can have a members only where there is no price, where it can just be free. You just want to capture people's emails. They can just put that in there. Or you can have paid members where they actually pay for a plan, right? And you can set your articles. You can set them for free. You can set them for members only, or you can set them for paid members only, right? It's very powerful. And that's just with the click of a button. You don't have to go through all the things you have to do at WordPress. I'm trying to see, is there anything else that I want to show you here? Put your quotes there, photos. You can do an HTML block. You can put HTML block in there. You can put your code in there if you want to put something else in there special. All right, so let's go back. Not going to change that. All right, so that's the new article there. So I can take that new article, right, and I can move it along. I can say, hey, you know what? Oh, I got to publish it. I mean, it's still a draft right now, but I don't have anything on it right now. So I can schedule it, right? Or I can schedule different tasks. I mean, different stories. I can put those up here. I can move them around to different dates and so on and so forth, right? And then I have my members, all the people who have signed up for my site. They're all in there. All right, so let's go through some of the other detailed areas. So let's take a look here. So right here, you can go and you can say, hey, you know what? Let me take a look at a customized theme, right? So I might want to change my theme, right? So I can go here, change my theme on the front page. I can have the desk page changed, right? I can change my article designs. I don't want them to look like that. I can create a new design here and do all that, right? But what if I want to change my theme here? So what I can do is I can go here, hit that chart. And then what I can do is I can change my theme and says, you know what? I like this theme better. I like this layout better. I like this layout better. That's the layout I'm using. Or I might just change this to this layout here and then just replace the whole thing and just say, hey, this now becomes my new layout. So when people arrive at your site, this is what they'll see. It's kind of set up almost like a newspaper. I really like this style. You can do this, or you can come here and say, you know what? Let me add another block here. Let's add this block underneath, and then let's insert that block there. So you come down and then you have that block, and then we added this block here. So just a lot of moving around of the blocks. What happens is when you come and you start writing your articles, they're going to appear here. If you put in the latest article or you're going to put in a featured article, they're going to all lay out the way you want them to lay out. Let me kind of show you what, and then you just hit publish, right? So you have that there. So let's go back. We have a customized theme and we have the publication settings. So we go in there, you can change your domain, right? You can do all of that. Then what else do I want to show you? There's so much to show you. All right, so you can do that. Now let me show you what my finished site looks like. Obviously, showed you guys that. Let me take you through the last portion of this. So this is my finished site here. And so what we have here is we have, remember I told you home, planning, savings. Those are the blocks that I told you that sit right here. So we'll go back here. Home, planning, savings. Those are your different layouts or your tables of contents. So I want this to appear, always appear in front. These are the different articles here. These are the latest articles. So let's take a look. So this is what it looks like. I'm not done with this, but this is what my page looks like, right? Podcast savings. I'm showing people I've embedded a podcast. I have an academy. I have TV. I have a gift store, right? I have this playing in a loop. I got to change that, figure out how I want that to play. I have some other things here. Then I have some other articles, right? And it just continues to scroll. Now, what you need to understand is, that's for that. Now, this is an article, but these articles are for, this is another article that I put together here. Go and take a look at that. This is a blog article I put, embedded a YouTube channel there. But let me show you what it looks like when a person has to pay, right? And I'm not done writing these articles, but this is one article that I wrote. And then you go here, you scroll down, but look what a person says. This content is reserved for premium subscribers, right? Upgrade your account. I already have my account logged in. This is a free account, but this is a premium window here. That's a premium window. That's a premium window. That's a premium window. These are, and you can just do this with just a click of a button, right? And you can make them paid. You can make the articles paid. Let me show you how you do that. So when you're writing the articles, there's an article that I wrote. What I put here, as you can see here up in the top, it says paid members only. I can make it free access or paid members only. So that's how you change that. This is easy. And I think what's powerful and what I like about it is you can embed, you can do a lot of different things. And you can also, let me show you integrations. Let me get to that. So you can get here, this is team, this is integrations, and you can put in your Google AdSense. You can run ads on here, and you have an API, and you can do your domain and integration. So that's it, people. Again, this has been Jenny Groans. This is a fabulous tool. I love it. I can do a lot of things with it. I have unlimited domains, and so I can do a lot of things with it. These are your integrations. Hey, if you enjoy this channel, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. You guys take care. Goodbye for now. Oh, there's a link to the description if you wanted to pick it up. Alrighty, take care. Bye for now.